Mercedes revealed the new EQS 53 AMG, and yes, an electric AMG model. This is the first ambassador of what's to come in the electric future for the AMG. Let's start with the figures. This car has two electric motors, and in the base version you would get a total output of 484 kilowatts and 950 newton meters of torque. You can also get the AMG Dynamic Plus package, which is available as an option. And then the total output increases up to 560 kilowatts in race start mode with boost function. The maximum motor torque is then up to 1020 newton meters. In that case, the acceleration from 0 to 100 is only 3.4 seconds, and the top speed is limited to 250 kilometers per hour. Design-wise, we also have some changes such as the different front panel, more aggressive bumpers, and new wheels. What about the sound, you may ask? Well, here are some good news. This car has the special AMG sound. It's the sound system that uses special loudspeakers, shakers, and sound generator to create a special sound experience in two versions, authentic or performance. This exclusive AMG sound experience is generated inside and out with the tonality and intensity to match the current driving status, the selected driving mode, or the driver's wishes. So what do you think about that? So artificial sound that changes the real sound, but you have that feeling, that you are driving a special sports car. So tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts about that? Speaking about the range, with 180 kWh battery, this car can travel up to 580 kilometers on one charge. Subscribe to the channel as I will film the details of this car at the IAA Mobility in Munich next week. And that's it, see you on the next video, bye bye.